Just as every year, it is indeed an honor for all of us gathered here today as we celebrate our Founders Day of Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya by celebrating our creator, our education director, our founder principal, Padma Bhushan Dr. Srimati Kanakrele. We bow down to thee.
न भूतो न भविष्यति.
Devotion.
Headstrong. Commitment and passion.
Adherence.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul, and the alphabets used in that language are of love. You feel a connection with any of the stories you perform. You get into your character, you feel the character's state of mind very deeply, and you portray them in a way where it seems all real. Respected Padma Bhushan Dr. Kanakrele ma'am has created a space for us to be ourselves and to best ourselves in every way possible. She has made it incredibly easy for us to find all of our hidden talents under one roof. Whatever may the classical form be, we find talam, music, and n number of more talents to yet be discovered and learned. In Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya, our suggestions, opinions aren't discarded. Instead, they are taken into consideration, which gives the students a sense of pride and the confidence to contribute more towards the art.
Perfect role model.
Sincere.
Preceptor.
Dedication.
Profound researcher.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Would like to express our gratitude for envisioning a place like Nalanda. Students like us who are from different profession and married, some are having young children, could live our passion of learning. We are obliged to you for making our ordinary life an extraordinary one. Nalanda is truly a temple for us. We wish you good health and seek your blessings for a long time. Happy returns of the day, ma'am.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
त्वमादिदेवः पुरुषपुराण त्वमस्य विश्वस्य परमानिधान त्वमादिदेवः वेतासि वेद्यं च परं च धाम त्वया ततं विश्वमनन्तरूप त्वमादिदेवः पुरुषपुराण त्वमादिदेवः.
Pioneer of the tradition.
Growth.
Perfection.
Thoroughly professional.
ढूंढने निकले थे मंजिल यूं ही एक दिन, वो मंजिल जिसकी हमें खबर तक नहीं थी। अंधेर नगरी से गुजरता वो रास्ता था, न कोई काफिला था, न रोशनी की किरण थी। मानो आंखों पे पट्टी बांधे चल रहे थे, मानो गहरे कुएं से निकलने तड़प रहे थे। देखना चाहते थे रोशनी का बस एक बिंदु, एक नजर, एक एहसास, एक हाथ की तलाश में थे। आज यहां इस मकाम पर आकर 2 पल यूं ही ठहर गए हैं। अपने अतीत में झांक कर खुद को जरा परख रहे हैं। आपने ना दिखाई होती राह तो न जाने कहां भटके होते। आज आपकी ही कृपा से इतनी दूर आ पहुंचे हैं। आपकी ही तो देन है ये जोत जो आज जिंदगी का उजाला बनी है, ये सोच जो मुश्किलों का सामना कर रही है, ये दृष्टि जो अंधेरे में प्रकाश खोजती है, और ये हाथ जो हम जैसे और कई भूले भटकों की मदद करना चाहते हैं। अब मंजिल धुंधली सी दिखाई दे रही है, अब काफिला भी बन रहा है। आपकी ही छत्र छाया में शुरू रहे ये सफर, यही बस एक तमन्ना है। जन्म दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आपके अपने MPA पार्ट 2 के छात्र।
Sophisticated. Stalwart. Visionary.
Ambition is very important and Dr. Kanakrele ma'am is a living example of it.
With every new piece of creation, you pave a path to a world filled with heavenly compositions.
You taught us to dedicate ourselves to what gives your life true meaning, and that what make a positive difference in someone's life.
We thank you, ma'am, for teaching us to maintain discipline and respect towards our art form.
The way you put your heart and soul into the dance, it seems that you are the most attractive artist we have ever seen.
Watching you dance feels like a moving, incredible sculpture. We want to thank the Almighty for such a beautiful gift that He has given to this institute.
Your passion and dedication for the art form drives us towards excellence.
Your hard work and perseverance has been a guidance towards our future.
The one who is capable of dispelling darkness is you, our Guru.
Your positive action combined with positive thinking results in success.
We will always be thankful to you for all the hard work and efforts that you have put in to educate us.
Ma'am, you are indeed one of the great heroes of our time. We, the class of degree, wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. Thank you.
Discipline.
Abhinaya Queen.
Perspicacious.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
गुरु है तो विश्वास है, गुरु है तो सब पास है, गुरु से ही आस है, गुरु जो अपने पास है।
निराशा में आशा की झलक दिखा दे, दुखों में खुशी की बौछार करा दे, दर्द पर ऐसा मरहम लगा दे। एक गुरु ही है जो भगवान से साक्षात्कार करा दे।
एक सुंदर सा एहसास है, ना हो कोई लक्ष्य अधूरा, सब कुछ अपने हाथ है। पद्मभूषण श्रीमती डॉक्टर कनकरेले जी, आप जैसा एक गुरु एक सुंदर साज है।
मिट्टी को जिसने सोना बनाया, जिंदगी को जीना सिखाया, लक्ष्य भेदने का मार्ग दिखाया, उस गुरु को मेरा शत शत प्रणाम।
कभी न कभी बिखरी जिंदगी देखी होगी, कभी टूटती आस भी देखी होगी, गरीबी अमीरी भी देखी होगी। हो आपका हाथ सर पर तो तपती धूप में भी छाव की फुहार देखी होगी।
Dear ma'am, thank you for giving our passion a place and a voice to grow.
Nalanda is our identity today, under whose protective shade we blossom into total dancers. Thank you for being an inspiration to us. Class of BPA Part 1 wishes you a very happy birthday.
Administrator.
Iconic personality.
Multidimensional.
Staunch pillar.
Caring guide.
आङ्गिकं भुवनं यस्य वाचिकं सर्ववाङ्मयम् आहार्यं चन्द्रतारादि तं नुमः सात्विकं शिवम्. We owe you our lives, ma'am, for you have given us the treasure which will be kept within our hearts with sheer love. Nalanda is not just an institution, it is the bridge between us and our success paths. Kanak means gold. Gold is treasured, and when gold is nurtured, it turns into a beautiful masterpiece. The same way, ma'am, you being gold have nurtured Nalanda and turned it into a beautiful masterpiece. We are thoroughly blessed to have received your guidance and support. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. As we all believe that Guru is the Supreme One, we all have you as our Supreme One. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your efforts on bringing up this great masterpiece. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Perseverance.
Commitment.
Focused.
Exacting.
Thorough work. Treasure of knowledge.
मिली मुझे मेरी पहली मंजिल जब मैं गई कोलकाता में। शांति निकेतन जैसे पुण्य जगह में ढूंढ लिया मेरी कला को मैंने। आज जब कोई हमें पूछे कहाँ से मिली तुम्हें ये नृत्य जैसी कला को, हम सिर्फ एक ही बात बोले, नालंदा नृत्य कला महाविद्यालय जैसे पुण्य जगह से।
माँ की ममता ने घबराकर पूछा था एक प्रश्न, तुम्हें क्या हो गया है, क्यों नौकरी को ठुकरा कर चली हो तुम नृत्य को लेकर। मैंने माँ को बताया, नहीं होगी मुझसे नौकरी, पर वचन देती हूँ घर का नाम रोशन ज़रूर करूँगी। आपने अपना वचन इतनी निष्ठा से निभाया कि आज जो भी नालंदा से जुड़ा उनका घर रोशनी से भर गया। आप केवल हमारी गुरु नहीं, आप हमारी प्रेरणा हो।
एक बार मुझसे पूछा गया था कि मैंने नृत्य को क्यों चुना। मैंने सरल सा उत्तर दिया, मैंने नृत्य को नहीं, नृत्य ने मुझे चुना है। हमें आपने हमेशा यही सिखाया कि अपने नृत्य को, अपने पेशा को कैसे सम्मान करते हैं।
सुनाकर पढ़कर मेरे गुरु को प्रणाम। उन्होंने मुझे कथकली सिखाया और उन्होंने ही मुझसे मेरी पहचान करवाई। उनकी आशीर्वाद सदैव मेरे साथ रही। आपने हमें सिखाया कैसे गुरु का सम्मान करते हैं, कैसे एक विद्यार्थी को अपने गुरु के बताए राह पर चलना चाहिए। और आज हम चाहते हैं कि हम आपके बताए गए राह पर चले और नालंदा का नाम रोशन करें।
Yes, Namaskar everybody. I am so happy and full of gratitude for so many people joining today to wish Kanakben, our founder, our Guru, Mahaguru, as I always say, to wish her happy birthday. And I don't know, I have no words. Thank you each and everyone for joining today and wishing Kanakben. So on behalf of Rahul, myself as a family and Tele Parivar and Nalanda Parivar, I welcome you all. Thank you so much, and I request Kanakben to speak few words. Kanakben, please speak few words. Thank you so much. I'm just overwhelmed just now. I usually don't get overwhelmed. I'm always prepared. But just now I'm being haunted by a beautiful song, bhajan, that Mirabai wrote in Gujarati at the fag end of her life. And she says that Junu to thayu re devar, Junu to thayu. It's become old. Junu to thayu re devar, Junu to thayu, Maro Hansalo, my soul. Maro Hansalo, Nano ne devar Junu to thayu. Body has become old now. You can see my head. But the soul is there. And the soul is all the time connected. You people don't know in which way. One place, Nalanda.
Namaste, Kanakben. Many happy returns of the day. I remember my days, when I was only 18, and how you groomed me, in all the aspects, not only in my dance, but in my personal life as well. I mean, you are the backbone, I should say, of my life, and I'll never ever forget your things and the way you have groomed me. I have short of words today that I can't speak so much, but I cherish the moment I enjoyed with you, traveled with you, danced with you, ate with you, stayed with you. I think there's nothing that is left in my life that I'm not been given that grace from you. I completely bow down at your feet and seeking your blessings till I leave. Thank you so much, Kanakben.
The audio is on if you want to say. Deepak, I'm so happy you are there and you have started the whole thing. Most of these things which have happened, you have witnessed yourself. You are a part of my experiences, weren't you? So I think I took you back to those days. And just today, that time we used to be shivering like this with worry. Today we can laugh together, right?
Yes,
we can laugh together. Yes. We did this together. We did this together. I'm very happy that Malamis is also there who has still Malamis, please share.
Pranam Kanakben, thank you for showing me the light. That is the job of a guru. When I was in the darkness and caught within the problems which you were speaking of earlier in the Guru Shishya Parampara, you have shown us the light that you can learn dance outside that parampara into a regularized system. You showed us the light for that. Thank you very much. And that one word which I want to say, I was not there with the others, but I'm saying it now. My one word is visionary. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss. Yes, now Rupa Vora is there, I believe, and anybody from, then you can start. I will be interviewing. Please go on. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Hi. Very happy birthday to you, Kanakben. It's really wonderful to listen to all the lovely work that you've done. You're an inspiration for the entire family. And जैसे आपने कहा नृत्य ने आपको चुना है, it was really fantastic. It is with purity of heart, and as Gurudev says, purity of heart, clarity of mind, and sincerity in action that you can create wonders. It's fantastic, lovely, love you. Happy birthday, and wish you all the happiness, joy every time.
Ite. Uma, yes. Yes.
Namaskar, Kanakben. Shatam Jivam Sharadam, they say that even the seasons like Sharada, which is home of plenty of illness, you stay fit, fine and happy forever, Kanakben. What we are because of you, what we are because of you, Guru. And you have given us, not only have imparted the knowledge and the information of dance, but also have imparted the wisdom of dance and the joy of living, and you have given us the purpose of living. Kanakben, Sashtang Darvan to you. Pranam.
मी खूप बोलते, आजच बोलत होती तुझ्या बरोबर सकाळी, खूप बोलल्या मी तुझ्या बरोबर. आता कोण बोलते?
Namaste, Kanakben. Wishing you many happy returns of the day and seeking your blessings on this day. Happy birthday, Kanakben.
Thank you. Thank you very much and welcome. I'm sorry.
Namaste, Kanakben. Madhuri here. Many happy returns of the day. Pranam to you. And may you be blessed with very good health, happiness. And may we be blessed with many more years of your guidance, your association, and your love. Thank you so much for creating a place where we could chase our dreams in the field of dance. Thank you so much. Pranam to you.
Hello, Kanakben. Happy 84th birthday, Kanakben. It has been so wonderful to work with you for the past 34 years. Learned a lot from you, which helped me in my career. I feel blessed to sing for a legend like you. May God shower you with lots of happiness and good health. Now I am dedicating for you one small padam. For मनोभव कले शयने मनोभव कले कलिपदी संशयम തെളിവേലും മുഖമിന്നോ കിന്തു തേ മരുപേ Thank you. Wish you a happy birthday, ma'am.
Thank you, Girishan. This is my most favorite item, and you know this. I love it.
Thank you.
Namaste, Kanakben. I am Ramana here. Namaste, Kanakben. Happy birthday. Very happy returns of the day. Kanakben, you are my positive energy always and will be. And always in my mind you are there. Always for Nalanda. Thank you, Kanakben. So many years I have spent with you. And I am very thankful to you.
Kanakben Gopal.
इधर है.
Happy birthday, इधर ही है.
Thank you.
Wish you a happy birthday. और बहुत साल ऐसे ही रहेगा.
अरे बाप रे. You will have to bring.
Thank you, Kanakben. Oh, never. I am with you. Always I am here. I am also with you.
Thank you.
Small gift, Ajay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Many happy returns of the day.
Prema.
Prema. अच्छा. How nice. Yeah. How nice.
आपका कृपा से इतना तक पहुंच गया हम लोग. देखो कब से 82 में नालंदा में आया, अभी कुछ नहीं था. Now whatever it is, because of you only. Need a blessing. Thank you very much, Kanakben.
Thank you.
Namaste, Kanakben. Dimple here from Doha.
From Doha.
Many happy returns of the day, Kanakben. I am ever grateful to God for having you in my life as my guru. I was very fortunate to be a first PhD student in Mohiniyattam. And you know, the toughest days of my life, whatever I got from you which is for life, which I cannot forget. And thank you so much. Wishing you a very good health, happiness all through the year. And thank you for all the blessings. And please do keep blessing us. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, may I say something?
Yes, sir.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Ma'am, this is Vipin Patel. I always claim that I'm the most fortunate person in Nalanda, to whom you showered a lot. Because of your blessings, I can, whatever I am, only because of your blessing, ma'am. अभी मैं देख रहा था, it is your 84th birthday. 8 और 4 अगर जोड़ देंगे तो ये 12 हो जाता है. So it's like that it comes to a tap. We call it tap. तो ये आपका जो तप है, तो अभी तो और बढ़ेगा. Because of your tap, that Nalanda will reach to the next level, and your blessing will always be with us. और you are like a touchstone. आपके बाजू में जो भी आ गया, हमारे उसे लोखंड आ गए, बाजू आयरन का टुकड़ा आ गए, उसका आपने एकदम से गोल बना दिया. We are really हमने पूर्व जन्म में कुछ पुण्य किया, we came to Nalanda. So we are very fortunate that we are working with you. May God bless you and fulfill all your dreams. Thank you. And many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
You're feeling left out.
Namaste, ma'am. This is Meenakshi. Many happy returns of the day, Kanakben, and praying for your long life, filled with lots of peace, happiness, prosperity. You held my hand and let me enter the world of dance education, Kanakben. But apart from that, what I have learned from you is how to stand tall, firm, and strong even during adversity. Thank you very much, Kanakben. You will always be a source of inspiration, and I am deeply indebted to you. My humble pranams at your feet. Namaste, Kanakben.
Namaskaram, Kanakben and Jason are here. You have, right from the beginning, you have guided me and lifted me from the worst things which I was undergoing, giving me a chance with the affiliation of Nalanda. I could fight with the world. I am because of you, Kanakben. There are no words I can express my gratitude, my humble pranam. I love anything at your feet, Kanakben. Totally surrendering at your feet, Kanakben, and it will be all. You are always service. Good health.
Namaste, Kanakben. Rohini here.
Namaste, Kanakben. And you are always a source of inspiration for all of us. Thank you for being there.
Namaste,
Namaste, Kanakben. Namaste, Kanakben. Rohini here. Wishing you many happy returns of the day. And I am forever indebted to you and Nalanda for what we all are here today for. Thank you so much. May God bless you with a very long life and keep blessing us, all of us. Thank you very much. Have a great day, Kanakben.
Namaste,
Namaste, madam.
Kalki.
Who is there? Namaste, madam. Nutan here. Many happy returns of the day, madam. Who is talking?
We are getting Kalki time. Miss.
Can I talk?
Nutan time.
Yeah, ma'am. You can talk.
Namaste, madam. Many happy returns of the day. You know, madam, I came to Nalanda to take admission for my own students, and I myself took admission, and my decision was so right, madam. I could develop myself so well under your shadow. Please bless us. Namaste, madam. Pranam.
Kanakben Kalki, many happy returns of the day. My pranam to you. Mara pranam tamne, and you have been a great inspiration to all of us. And hearing the entire journey, we are actually blessed that you are there in our life. And literally I don't have words more how to express, but you have made our life and you have imbibed the values in us. So I'm really grateful to you for whatever we are today. It's because of you. So my pranams, and you are being great inspiration. Have a healthy life, ma'am. Pranam.
Namaste, Kanakben. This is Madhuri Pratap or Madhuri Raman, do you remember? I'm wishing you many, many happy returns of the day. We seek your blessings every time.
Thank you.
Whatever we are today, it is all because of you, ma'am. And I surrender you. I see you, I get a little bit scared. The fear is always there. And I want that to be there, to be continuing till you're there.
I'm scared of you.
Namaskar, Kanakben. Namaste, ma'am. This is Megha here.
Okay.
I seek your blessings. My pranam at your feet, ma'am. I just want to wish you on this very auspicious day abundance of happiness, good health, peace, and long life. Thank you so much, ma'am, for making your life and our life together so precious. Without you, we would have never got our identities, ma'am. Thank you so much. You made us, you gave us our identities as a dancer, as a dance practitioners, as a dance students. We are ever grateful to you and your work. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Lots of love to you and best regards.
Wish you a very happy birthday, ma'am. Ma'am, there's one thing that I always wanted to tell you. You are like a jackfruit, hard from outside and completely soft from within. And with age, the sweetness just goes on increasing. When I saw you first time, I was very scared because I was scared of the culture in Nalanda. But you won't believe it. I fell in love with it, and that's when I decided I want to take Nalanda and dance as my career. Thank you for everything that you've done for me and for everybody. And I wish you a long, long, long life full of happiness. And like a jackfruit, I am sure you're going to become sweeter and sweeter every passing day.
Happy birthday, Kanakben. This is Mansi Nair. Namaste. It was so inspiring and so nice to see you, hear you. We love you. We can't speak more than that. We love Nalanda. We love you. Once again, happy birthday.
Namaste, ma'am. Chitra here from 2007 Masters Batch. Ma'am, wish you a happy birthday. And I would like to say that your name is synonym to power. So I am very lucky to have known such a powerful figure in my life. We are really thankful to you for what we are today. Really, thanks a lot. Pranam, ma'am.
Namaste, Kanak ma'am. This is Saji here.
Saji.
Many, many happy returns of the day from me.
They're all
I'm very fortunate to be your disciples because whatever I am today is because you grew me not only as a dancer but also as a good person. My family, everyone, they just love you so much. May God prayers for you for a good health and happiness in your life. Thank you so much, ma'am. Happy birthday once again.
Namaskar, Mama.
Namaskar.
Dakshina Murthy here. I feel myself blessed to work under Nalanda, and thank you for selecting me as one of the teaching staffs. Accompanying you, I have learned many things, like on the stage, like how you teach many things. I have learned many things. So thank you for blessing me. Being a teacher, I am also blessed to learn many things. For that, always my pranams, and God give you long life, and please stay happy and blessed, madam.
Thank you very much.
Kanak ma'am, namaste. This is Sneha from Oman.
Yeah. From
Oman.
Sneha. Yeah, okay.
Very, very happy returns of the day, Kanak ma'am. So happy to see you, and we just feel blessed that have got such an amazing view. You are an inspiration to all of us. When you were talking, it just took me back to those days where we traveled to Khajuraho Festival and Sri Lanka for performance, and all those beautiful moments with you. So keep blessing us. Thank you so much. Many, many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Kanakben, actually, is anybody wanting to talk?
What?
I think yes, Rutika, speak.
Namaste.
Namaste, Miss. This is Radhika. As every day, as I say, you are looking more beautiful every day. I always say this to you, ma'am. Be beautiful like this always, and lots of love to you. Happy birthday, Miss. It's a real blessing to be known as your student always. And all pranams to you. Stay blessed always. Stay healthy always. Keep showering your blessings to us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being in our life.
Gurubhyo Namaha. Ma'am, this is Rutika here. MFA 2012 batch. Wishing teacher, Guru, very happy birthday. I seek your blessings always. Thank you, ma'am. Pranams.
Namaste, Kanakben.
Ambika Miss. Yes, Namaste, Kanakben. Happy birthday. Praying and wishing you for a long, healthy, happy, peaceful life. And all your blessings to us.
Thank you.
Namaste, Kanakben. Trupti here. Vapi. Trupti. Vapi.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Kanakben. It's indeed a blessing to be your student, and whatever we are today here, it's all because of you. So thank you so much, and keep guiding us. Thank you so much. Wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Anu? Yes.
Namaste, Kanakben. I wish you many, many more happy returns of the day. This is Anu Srishti. Really happy to see you and hear from you. And wish you many more happy returns of the day. And being a part of Nalanda is the most important and most blessed thing which happened to me. And thank you for your blessings. And always keep blessing us. Thanks.
Happy birthday, ma'am. Unnati here from Rajkot.
From Rajkot.
Thank you for giving us the beautiful gift, Mohini Attam, because it has become our life now, and we are truly grateful. Seeking your blessings, ma'am. Thank you. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Pranam, Kanak ma'am. This is Poonam Shirsagar from the 2010th batch. It was always a pleasure to listen to you. And when I thought the history, how you took efforts to construct this Nalanda, I thought I was amazed. I'm grateful that you are being my guru, and Nalanda changed my life completely. And what I am today is just because of you. So lots of pranam, and God bless you with a healthy, long life. Happy birthday. Very happy birthday.
Thank you.
Namaste, ma'am. My pranam to you. I'm
Jonaki, ma'am.
Yes, can you speak?
Yes, ma'am. We can hear you.
Pranam, Kanak, ma'am.
I've been wondering what to say. Everybody has such lovely words to say, and if we start talking about you, we can just speak for hours, and we are not good at words to even say a few words about you. You have been like a lighthouse, giving us light with your thoughts. We look at you for knowledge, look at your ideas, we look at you for everything. So each time in your recent talks, each time you talk about your hair and you talk about your age, it just tears us up. We feel like crying. No, you can never age. You'll always have to remain strong for us. We'll have to keep following you. So please be there. A lot of good health and lots of best things on earth forever. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Yes, Chani.
Yes, my pranam to you, ma'am. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Wish you for happy and healthy life, ma'am. We are really, really very blessed that we are your disciple. Thank you so much, ma'am, for everything.
Yes. Thank you so much. Yes. Priyanka. Yes.
Priyanka here, 2010 Masters batch. वाढदिवसाच्या खूप 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 मनपूर्वक शुभेच्छा आणि शतायुषी आणि आम्हाला असेच आशीर्वाद देत राहा. धन्यवाद.
Divyadi. Yes.
Namaste, ma'am. Wishing you many, many, many happy returns of the day, ma'am. Please stay the way you are and keep blessing us, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everybody, for being with us today. We're indeed extremely happy and sorry because, as you know, things have to be coordinated with the laptops and the phones, and the link didn't start early, and there's always something that the lockdown's teaching us. But thank you so much for being with us from the start till the end. We were a good 145 people. And with everybody's wishes and all of that, I hope you all have filled in the forms, because all of this love that is there, we want a record of it all, so that we can show such a wonderful Founders Day that we had in 2021 online, and nothing really stopped. In fact, everybody from all over the globe came together to celebrate the Founders Day in its truest sense today. Thank you so much for being with us today. I request our Students' Council head teacher, Srimati Radhika Nair ma'am, to end today's event, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Vaidehi. Thank you to all. Before that, Kanak ma'am, I am Radhika Nair. Many happy returns of the day. We wish next year we are going to have, we won't have virtual, we will meet in person and celebrate the way we celebrate every year. But this platform also has been very good because many of them can't come to Nalanda, but virtually now we happen to bring together almost around 200 people on this platform. So we are really happy that we could design this program, and it was a great success with the help of Vaidehi, Students' Council members, Vignesh, and all the alumni, students, teachers, staff members, and Uma Miss. Thank you, Miss. Thank you, Rahul Bhai. Thanks a lot. We are really happy that you have join us to celebrate our Founders Day. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Kanakben, please keep showering your blessings on us. We are really thankful to you for giving those sweet words. I always am I feel so proud when the moment you start giving a speech. I look here and there whenever the program is there, and when you are speaking on this, nice, it gives me so much of pleasure, and I feel so proud You are such a great orator. And thanks for sharing all those sweet memories you have. Thank you. Thanks to all. Thank you, Vaidehi.
Thank you so much, Radhika, Vaidehi, Vignesh. Thank you.
Thank you.
And all students on
Sayogita ma'am, mama actually saw Sayogita ma'am and she told me, "अगं तू बोल त्यांना मला त्यांच्याशी बोलायचंय." So Sayogita ma'am, our trustee ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Namaskar, everyone, and it was a beautiful program. Though I had to excuse myself, I had to join a meeting which I couldn't avoid. But best wishes to Tai Sahib, and we always wish her well and pray for her good health. And the only thing I can think about is that she is the iron lady behind everything, and really so much to learn from a personality like that. And Umatai, you're always there. Your support is always there, and you're just so sweet. You've been there for everything and everyone. Thank you so much. Vaidehi, of course, takes after both the lovely ladies, and her capabilities are seen already. So, best wishes to everybody.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your appreciation. Thank you very much. On behalf of Vaidehi, also I'm saying this. Vaidehi,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say when there are such stalwarts talking, but thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can see one more hand up. Vaibhav Kaka. Yes.
Namaste, Kanakben. Vaibhav. बोलतो है. Many happy returns of the day, Kanakben.
Thank you.
We are indeed, I won't say just proud of you, but our parents have given us birth, but you have made our life more meaningful. Our life has a meaning, a direction, because of you being there for us. So we are always indebted to the Almighty for having been introduced to you. He has brought us. So thank you for being there always.
Thank you so much, everybody. Radhika Miss, after a vote of thanks, giving the mini vote of thanks once again, with your permission. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much, current students, alumni, for joining us, and obviously our teaching and non-teaching staff, the gurus at Nalanda, everybody who are there here. Thank you for the videos, Vignesh. Thank you for the lovely editing. Thank you for the lovely video. Please see it on YouTube because it's going to be uploaded very soon. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Vaidehi and Vignesh, for arranging this.
Thank you.
Yes,
program.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, student coordinators Radhika Rangparya and Abhijit, who have been handling this so beautifully and so well. They have been coordinating the entire meet links. Thank you so much,
I
children.
just want to say one word.
thank you, kids. Radhika, Abhijit.
Can I just say one word, please? That is that I really, from the bottom of my heart, I thank all of you, all those whom I can see, and all those people who have not joined, who are not visible, but who have joined in the whole thing. I'm so very grateful. A teacher's life is fulfilled, and the heart overflows with joy when the students get together and thank the teacher for having imparted certain knowledge to them. I don't know what else will happen, but anytime anybody who wants to tap my knowledge for any purpose, you are most welcome. And I very humbly thank all of you for having arranged this function. Namaskar. Yes.
See you all soon.
Yeah, bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. All of you take care. Stay safe. Bye.
Take care. Bye. Bye. Take care. Bye.